As professional organizers, we need to be aware of current trends. We need to know the types of storage solutions that are popular. We need to be aware of the latest design trends too. Why is this so important? Why do current trends matter so much to professional organizers? Because when we can provide our clients with solutions in styles they're looking for, not only do we ensure they will be satisfied with our services, but we also increase the likelihood that they will maintain this organization going forward. And that is our goal. So how can you help your clients achieve this attainable goal? Number one, periodically scroll through social media. Keep abreast of the latest looks and what details comprise each one. How can you use this knowledge in your next decluttering and organizing project? Number two, pop into your local stores each season to see what's featured. What are the new storage solutions? What are the latest sustainable products? Are there ways that you can reuse your client's storage solutions to mimic the latest trends? Number three, as you walk through the client's home, take note of the current design style. Is there a specific style? Are they eclectic? Do they have a style they want to achieve? Ask what their goal is. What do they want this space to say? Clarity here is key. Number four, and perhaps the most important strategy, one that is only available to our graduates, is to become familiar with the Ultimate Academy vendor list. I cannot stress how valuable this resource is. We have pages of retail stores, but more importantly, we have pages and pages of wholesale vendors and vendors that offer professional or trade discounts. With these exclusive vendors, you can not only save money, but you can source storage solutions your client would never find without you. Don't underestimate how impactful that is. So knowing the latest styles, incorporating the latest trends, makes your client happy in the moment and in the future.